3, 2, 1.
We are in Exmouth, and tonight we are staying at the Hot Shot Resort Hotel and Hostel. So Nathan and I are in one of the hostel like private rooms with a bathroom with a shower, so it is really private, which is nice. We stayed a total of 3 nights and it was only $50 US a night. So, but don't get too excited. It's great. It has AC. It has plenty of space and pretty comfortable beds. Okay, but it's nothing fancy. Who does Belcher love more? Golf clubs? Me. Anyway, 2 bunk beds. And honestly, it was just easier for me to sleep on the floor, so I didn't have to like crawl down the ladder to go every time I needed to go back. And then, so this is pretty much like the sleeping area. There is a TV, air conditioning. A little refrigerator, which is actually really nice. And here's the bathroom. It's just really simple. It's really simple, but it's very affordable, 50 bucks a night. And it's been perfect for us.
We are headed to a fishing charter out of Exmouth.
I'm so pumped. My goal is to get at least 1 fish so we can throw it on the barbecue tonight. And so far Exmouth has just been beautiful. We went to an amazing pizza place last night called Whalebone, and we would highly recommend it. It seemed like mostly locals, and the pizza was amazing. And then we did the flight tasting, and there was a ginger beer. It didn't really taste like beer, it tasted like lemonade. But it was still, you know, it's fun to try it. But the other ones were good. All right, signing off until we get on the boat. Today's fishing charter was a success. There were too many flies at the cooking area, so we took our party back to our bunk bedroom. So we're just having dinner, fresh caught fish dinner on the floor. How is it?
Well, that's really
That
good.
was the cod, I think.